We are pleased to show you the 2019 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.